Oh, you're early.
I'm a little early?
It's okay.
Okay.
Zippy, 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 zippy.
Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
He's old, he's cantankerous.
That's all right. How are you guys doing this morning?
Oh, busy.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Sorry, Kevin.
No,
The
you
table
guys.
pulled at you, so.
No, you guys are fine. I know I'm early. I saw it and I was like, oh, I'm close. I'll just go over and see.
See something you like, and I haven't got it because I haven't put any price on it. You can just tell me.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
There's some stuff in the back of the car too.
Okay.
You have a table for this stuff here?
Well, Stephanie's bringing 2 more tables. I don't know what Dennis was doing this.
How about this one?
Hi, Dad.
I can wait a minute too, no rush. I'll ask him when I see him.
Okay.
He said he had more in the back of the car. I might take a peek if that's all right. Oh, okay. How about on this cast iron?
$5.
$5? Okay, I'll probably do that. No, you don't have any old video games by chance, do you?
We've got a complete set of Wii.
Here with you?
Yep.
That's the Wii with probably 10,
All right.
at least 10.
I'd take a peek at it.
This stuff is
There's part of it. I can peek
Here.
real quick, or I can pull it out for you as well if you'd like.
well.
I'll set this
is-
right here.
I think it's everything in this box right here.
The box, okay.
That
I'll
won't
set it
go
right-
with the box, but it's.
Yeah, no, that's all right. Do you know what you wanted for it?
You'll have to ask my wife.
Okay.
What?
How much did you want for it?
I'll take $100 for it, and that's about a third what it's worth.
Okay. Would you sell just 2? Would you sell a couple of games?
I don't know.
I'll leave you with the.
Sell it all together, but because the games themselves are probably $300 right there. They're like 30 bucks a piece is how much what I paid for them. And it's, what, 10 of them or 10 or 11 of them?
How much you want for those?
Yeah, talk to her.
Okay. Yeah, I'd buy these. These are the 2 games I'm interested in.
Okay, so
and,
maybe $5.
Okay. Okay.
10.
Yeah, please.
There you go.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
no, thank you.
Have a good day. Good luck, guys.
All right, thanks.
Yes, thank you. Sorry, can I set this right here for 1 second?
Another,
Okay.
This one right
Yep.
here. Okay, thank you. So I had these two right here. There's two sets. They were $5 each.
The salad spinners?
Yeah. And then I had this jacket. I didn't see a price on the jacket.
There's a tag on it.
Is there? Oh.
There was a tag on it. Here it is. $10.
Yeah, we'll do it. So I owe you $20.
So that's 20?
Yep. Thank you. Do you know how much is on this?
Hey, Dick. Yeah. 10 each.
10? Okay.
Is that gonna work?
I think so.
Okay.
Is the blow mold for sale?
The what?
These guys?
Oh, they're already sold.
They're already sold? No worries.
At the end of our yard sale morning, we came across the sale where they were just trying to clear everything out. It was fill a bag for $5. So it was pretty picked over, as you can imagine, by that time of day. But I dug deep in the women's clothing and I found a few things that will still do fairly well, I think. So I didn't have my camera on me, but I will show you. I got a couple of Travis Matthews hats. They're in great condition. So I figure these should sell for around $10 or $15 a piece. And I figure we got everything for about 50 cents a piece. So, that's a great ROI, even if they're not selling for high dollar. Here is a Cannondale cycling jersey, great condition. This pair of women's Athleta shorts. Now, this is an older model of shorts, so it probably won't do as well as some of the newer stuff. But I figure for 50 cents, I'll still list it in our store and see how it does. Here is a pair of Lululemon leggings. I was really shocked these were still in there. However, when I got home, I did realize that they're not in the best condition on the inside seams. And so I may end up just donating these. So I'm kind of bummed about that, but it's a good reminder to make sure and check condition and don't just throw it in the bag like I did. Next up is this women's cool sweater. It looks like it has only been worn a couple of times. It's in great condition. And it does have co-branding, so that's the only downside. But the co-branding is pretty small. I'll throw it up on our eBay store and I think it will still do well for us. It's a really nice sweater. Okay, and then this, I didn't get this on film while we were out yard selling, but this is a cool vintage Dooney and Burt clutch. This was $1 and I think it should sell for at least $30 or more. I need to clean it up a little bit on the back, but I think I should be able to do that and it should do well. So I'm excited about the things we found. I think it was a decent yard sale day. We've definitely had better, but we've had worse too, so I'll take it. Thanks so much for coming along with us. please like and subscribe and comment. It helps out my channel so much, and I really appreciate you watching. Happy thrifting.